Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video I am going to solve chapter linear equations in one variable. Exercise 8.1 question number 6 to question number 12. Publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. So if you guys want to see the solutions of earlier chapters like rational numbers, square and square roots, exponents, cube and cube roots, algebraic expressions, factorization of algebraic expressions, you can go by the description box where all the links are given, where I have solved each of the question of each of the exercise, each of the part you can see of each of the question of each of the exercise. So not to waste further time, let's check it out how to solve question number 6 to question number 12 of exercise 8.1 chapter linear equations in one variable. So in question number 6 we have been given z minus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 2z minus 1 by 3. So how to solve it? First of all, we will take the LCM of both these denominators. So LCM would be 12. So now this 12 will be divided by this 4, and that particular answer will be divided by multiplied by z minus 2. So 4 is divided by 12 comes as 3, and 3 will be multiplied by z minus 2 plus again 4 into 1. Here also we will take the LCM. So LCM will be coming out as 3z minus 2z plus 1. Now we will multiply this 3z minus 3 to the 6 plus 4 by 12 equal to 3z minus 2z will be coming out as z plus 1 by 3. In our next step, 3z minus 6 plus 4 will be coming out as positive minus 2 and z plus 1 3. This here this 12 is in division. By transposing it to the right hand side, it will be coming out to be as in multiplication like this. So it will get divided, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now in our next step, 3z minus 2 and the whole expression will be multiplied by this 4. So it will be coming out as 4z plus 4. Now transpose 3z minus 4z equal to 4 plus 2. 3z minus 4z, of course, minus 1z. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So z will be equal to minus 6. This is our answer. Hope the question is clear. If still any type of doubt is there, you can ask me by commenting into the comment box. So the answer of question number 6 of exercise 8.1 is z equal to minus 6. Now come to the 7th question. So the 7th question is 2y minus 3 by 5 plus y plus 3 by 4 equal to 4y plus 1 by 7. Here we will take the LCM. So LCM will be coming out as 20 and it will be multiplied by 4, 2y minus 3 plus it will be multiplied by 5y plus 3 equal to 4y plus 1 by 7. Now it will get multiplied by this whole expression. 4 2s are 8y minus 4 3s are 12 plus 5y plus 5 3s are 15 and 4y plus 1 by 7. In our next step, we will solve it. 8 plus 5 will be coming out as 13y and minus 12 plus 15 will be coming out as positive 3. Now this will get cross multiplied. So 13y plus 3 will be multiplied by 7 and 4y plus 1 will be multiplied by 20. So 13, 7, of course 91y plus 21 and 80y plus 20 it will get transposed. Minus 80y equal to 20 minus 21. So here it will coming out as 11y and minus 1. So our answer would be y equal to minus 1 by 11. So the answer of 7th question is y equal to minus 1 by 11 of exercise 8.1. Chapter linear equations in one variable. Publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. Now come to the 8th part. So the 8th part is x by 7 minus x by 14 equal to x by 28 plus 1 by 4. So let's check it out how to solve it. The LCM would be coming out as 14 and in numerator 2x minus x would be there, and here also LCM would be coming out as 28 and x plus 7. Now in our next step, 2x minus x is equal to x plus 7 by 28 multiplied by 14. 14 ones are 14, 2s are 28. So this 2 will get transposed and it will coming out in multiplication, x plus 7. So it will be multiplied. 4x minus 2x is equal to x plus 7. So 4x minus 2x equal to 2x equal to x plus 7. So 2x minus x equal to 7, x equal to 7, which is our answer. So have a full glance of question number 8 of exercise 8.1, chapter linear equations in one variable. So our answer of question number 8 is x is equal to 7. Now coming to the 9th question. So question number 9 is 2x plus 3 x plus 2 equal to 4, x minus 4 equal to minus 37. Not equal to, in question number 9 it is plus 4x minus 4. So let's check it out how to solve it. So in our next step, 2x plus 3x plus 3 to the 6 plus 4x minus 4 4 the 16 equal to minus 37. So this 2x, this 3x and this 4x will get added. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9x, and minus 16 and positive 6 will be coming out as minus 10, and this would minus 37. So 9x is equal to minus 37 positive 10. So x is equal to minus 27 by 9. So minus 3. 9 3 is 27. So the answer of question number 9 of exercise 8.1 is x is equal to minus 3, which is our answer. Hope the whole question is clear. If still any type of doubt is there, you can ask me by commenting into the comment box. This is minus 3. So our answer will be coming out as x is equal to minus 3. Now come to the 10th question. So the 10th part is 2y minus 3 by 4 minus y minus 2 by 2 equal to 6y plus 5 by 4. So let's check it out how to solve it. In here we will take LCM. So it will coming out as 2y minus 3 minus 2 y minus 2 equal to 6y plus 5 by 4. So in our next step, 2y minus 3 minus 2y positive 4 equal to 6y plus 5 by 4, and this 4 will get transposed to right hand side. This and this will get cancelled. Now 2y and minus 2y will get cancelled. So we will be left with 4 minus 3, 1 only, and in here 6y plus 5. So we can say if we transpose it will get minus 6y and 5 minus 1. So minus 6y equal to 4. So y equal to 4 by minus 6. So it will be coming out as 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6. So our answer will be y equal to minus 2 by 3. So the answer of 10th question of exercise 8.1 is y equal to minus 2 by 3, which is our answer. Hope all the question is clear. Now come to the last two parts, which are 11th and 12th part. So the 11th part is 2 within bracket 3x plus 2 plus 1 by 4 equal to 5x minus 2 by 3. So let's check it out how to solve it. First we will multiply. So it will be coming out as 6x plus 4 plus 1 by 4, and in here we will take the LCM. So 5 3s are 15x minus 2. Now in our next step we will take the LCM of left hand side also. So it will be coming out as 24x plus 16 and plus 1 equal to 15x minus 2 by 3. So it will get cross multiplied. So first it will become 24x plus 17 and will be multiplied by 3, and it will become 15x minus 2 multiplied by 4. It will get multiplied by 4. So here what it will be coming out as, it will be coming out as 72x plus 51 and 60x minus 8. So 72x minus 60x is equal to minus 8 minus 51. So here we will be left with 12x, and minus 8 and minus 51 will be coming out as minus 59. So x is equal to minus 59 by 12, which is our answer. So the answer of 11th question of exercise 8.1 is x is equal to minus 59 by 12. Hope the question is clear. Now come to the last part, which is the 12th part of exercise 8.1. So now come to the last part, 12th part of this video. 2x minus 5 by 3 plus 5x minus 4 by 4 equal to 1. So here we will take the LCM as usual. So 12 will be coming out as our LCM. So 2x minus 5 will be multiplied by 4 plus 3 will be multiplied by 15x minus 4 equal to 1. So here it will be coming out as 4 2s are 8, x minus 20 plus 15 3s are 3 5 3, this is 5, 3 5s are 15, x minus 3 4s are 12. So here this 12 will get transposed and it will coming out to be in as in multiplication. So 8x plus 15x will become 23x, and minus 20 and minus 12 will become minus 32 equal to 12. So in our next step, 23x is equal to 12 plus 32. So 23x is equal to 12 plus 32 means 44. So x is equal to 44 by 23, which is our answer. So the answer of part 12 of exercise 8.1 chapter linear equations in one variable is equal to x is equal to 44 by 23, or we can write it like this also. So hope all the questions are clear from question number 6 to question number 12. If any type of doubt is still there, you can ask me by commenting into the comment box. And if you guys like my videos, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share the videos as much as possible. So in my next video I'll be finishing exercise 8.1 and I'll be solving question number 13 to question number 22. So stay tuned.